Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to customize your emotes in Destiny 2. First, open View Journey, then navigate to the Character section. Right here, under Appearance subscreen, press S, so you may well enter it. Do so, or press the corresponding button on your keyboard or controller. Then, as you can see in the bottom right, are your emotes. Pressing Details, you can assign your emotes to the certain position on the emote wheel. For example, I will now assign Salute to the top slot. I will also, select Laugh and replace the Titan Sit. And that's how it goes. That's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.